Hello, good day, everyone. My uh, tablet fell. So today, this video is titled "How to Make Money Online," and I'm gonna let you guys know how I'm earning money online. Okay. So how to make money online? First of all, you got to get an online business. Okay. So that's the main thing you got to have is something online. You got to have a product or service to sell online. So guys, I sell health and wellness products. My brand is health, beauty, fashion, and travel. It's a lifestyle brand, also financial literacy, okay? And what I'm doing now is I am seeking like-minded entrepreneurs to help them get started in a business that I am or have already embarked on, okay? I am embarking on opportunities that allow me to help people get started and grow their business. I'm in opportunities that I am attached to people already leading and doing and already have became what I'm becoming. So what I'm doing is who I've already become, what I already know, I'm seeking people to share my knowledge with and show them how I did it. Okay, what I did was I got coached and I'm still getting coached. I have a mentor in my business partner. She's helping me. Okay, she gives me tips and tricks on how to go out here and make money offline as well as online. My business coach is doing that, guys. And what I'm doing, I am selling health products. I'm selling t-shirts. Okay, I'm selling jewelry. I'm selling products. I'm selling a service. When somebody partners with me and their credit is bad, I'm able to help them start getting their credit score up. I'm in an opportunity that they can get inside. They don't even have to get inside the opportunity if they don't choose to, but I have the tools that they can use for a fee to repair their own credit. Okay, I have a self-repair credit program that I offer entrepreneurs that partner with me. Okay, and if they don't decide to partner with me in my health and wellness business and they just want that financial services, I can help them in financial services because I'm attached to a financial services company, okay? And these are the things I'm helping people with. And the t-shirt opportunity that I'm like this t-shirt I'm wearing, guys. See this? It's cute. I made this, right? I made this t-shirt. So I made this shirt and I got into that industry because I want to be a walking billboard for my health and wellness business. That's what it was for. It was for Tava. And I was making Tava t-shirts. But guess what? When I got in and realized people love, bling, I said, why not just get in on the whole opportunity? Although I'm not I don't concentrate on it fully like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing that now. I'm concentrating on it fully. I'm concentrating on my Tava business. But my ultimate concentration is helping unify society towards lasting endeavors. So I'm building my brand, Bring a Hustle, okay? And Bring a Hustle is a mission that I have created to help entrepreneurs rapidly impact successful endeavors. And you can't just impact endeavors without changing. So included in that is the opportunity to change your mind. Start reading books. I have so many books I've read. I can give you referrals on books, on mentors that I follow on YouTube. They will inspire and motivate you to greatness. I can attach you to coaches. The coach that I'm using, she can help you learn. If you want to learn Amazon, like I'm here to help entrepreneurs get online and get to making money, okay? You want to sell jewelry, contact me. I can help you. I can show you how to start a jewelry business. I've done it, okay? So, and I'm still doing that. All I did with my jewelry business was add t-shirts to the brand. So if you're doing something you can add to it without taking away from it, that's great. If it coincides with your brand, you just can't just add everything. That's something that I learned in business and being coached, that I can't just jump into everything because it looks good, okay? I can't just every time I say, "Ooh, that look good," I might get. No, it's not about hitting that, and getting this. It's about whatever you're in, making that grow, okay? So I am in the entrepreneurship environment and I got to make myself grow. I got to expand Sabrina Bring a Hustle so that I can help a society of people that's lost out here, that don't understand that multiple streams of income is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. So I am seeking people that would love to travel the world, changing minds, bodies, and bank accounts. Okay? That's what I'm doing. I'm changing minds, bodies, and bank accounts. And if you're somebody interested, you can contact me. My information will be attached to this video, guys. This is Brenda Hustle, helping unify society towards lasting endeavors, guys. You all have a great and amazing day. I love you all. Remember, change your mind, change your life. Okay? Change your mind, change your entire life. You must change your mind to change your life. Bye-bye.